Today we're going to start by creating a simple animation that does arcs. Arcs are very critical for doing any kind of animation. We typically use them for just about everything. It's critical for doing any of our outputs. So let's get this set up real quick. We're going to change our camera's look so that it's going in one direction. That'll make it easier to keep track of everything. There we go. I'm probably going to want to move that back a little further and down a little bit. There we go. That's going to look good. And I'm going to use for this particular animation, and there's a lot of different ways we could do arcs. We can use our graph editor that was talked about in the previous video. Makes it real easy to follow your animation. So if I throw an animation in there, and let's just do a simple UV sphere and say I want to animate that going on an arc. So we could go 12, put it up there, and then maybe 20. Oh, I made a mistake. I know, shocking, right? I need to go over here to timeline, turn on my auto key. There we go. And now it'll work a lot better for doing graph editor. So there at 19, that's where I want it. We'll move it just a smidge. Jump here, back here to 1, put it back on the ground. And then we'll shoot up here. That looks good. And maybe over here, tops out. And then at 48, we're coming back down. And so we've got a very basic arc there. Now, as you can see in our graph editor here that it's not the smoothest arc in the world. And maybe I want to bring this down here so that the arc looks a little smoother. And then as I talked about in the previous video, we can adjust this so that it's a little smoother. Do that. Now my arc is pretty smooth, and that gives us a real quick arc in an animation.